Welcome to this video on communication and collaboration tools inside of Google Docs. By now, most people know that the live or the collaborative aspect of Google Docs can benefit teachers, students, schools, classrooms. And so we're used to using this share button and adding people, giving them different editing access or altering the type of access that people might have. And those options are still good and still used in Google. Recently, Google has added some more live type collaboration options or communication options outside of actually typing into the document itself. So if you were trying to communicate with someone, you might sometimes people would write things in the doc, but now you can actually do it in more of like a Zoom type where there's chat options, there's reaction options, there's video options. So we're going to look at those. The first one is you can actually chat or start a chat inside of Google Docs. So up in this kind of top right-hand corner, you'll see any of the icons of people who are on the doc. So you'll see I've shared this actually with myself in a personal way. And then if you do have people that are on the doc at the same time as you, you'll see this show chat icon. If your Google Doc does not have any collaborators on the doc at the time, this icon will not appear. But if it is, it means someone else is also on the doc with you in collaboration. So you can click the chat icon. It'll pull up a chat window on the side, and then you can use that on the side to create chat or start chat. I'll flip over to the other side of this. So this is the doc that I've shared with myself. So this is the personal side. You'll notice here I've got the show chat and I've got the little blue dot showing me that there is a message. And then I can see this message here. I can respond. Once again, I'll flip back over and you can see these here. You will notice here that it says document chats are not saved. What that means is if I close this out and I reopen it, that chat's going to still be there. But if I physically close the document or the tab itself and come back, that chat history is not part of that document when I reopen it back up. So you do have some live chat options here. Another option is you can actually start a virtual meeting or a Google Meet directly from this by clicking this Meet up here, where I can start a new meeting. There's no meetings on my calendar, but I could if there were there. I could start a new meeting. That would start a video option here, and then I could use this link. Here's your video call. I can copy the link then, the meeting link, to that, or this file and a video call. I could copy this option as well. And then I could go ahead and I could use this chat, or I could add that link to maybe a calendar option I have over here, whatever it happens to be. But I can quickly basically start Google Meet from inside of the doc then, which is really useful if I'm doing some sort of collaboration with people in different sites. Lastly, there always have been the ability to comment. So for example, maybe we highlighted a sentence that a student had and we could come in here and we would add a comment and then we could go ahead and do that for those. But now there are also these emoji reactions. So I can click on that and then I can see these here, all the different options, which again, for teachers maybe aren't as useful, but when we're talking about student projects and some of those student project ideas, kids love emojis and love to use those. So there are some different emoji reactions that are possible to add in that comment-like environment. So those are just some new communication and collaboration tools within Google Docs.